Hold on. Yeah. Come on.
Okay, now shout it high yellow, shout it eyes brown, shout it so gold, and so is my crown. Baby, color me bad, shout it red, and so is my flag. Purple in my bag, and shout it hair black. So is that car that I got in my bag. How could I go home, my girl, in fact? I could take a ball from the world, since the president black, I went and bought them black girls like that. Shit, I'm gonna shit on that little ain't good. When I wanna follow the rainbow. Now I'm gonna let her me and her colors create art together. Oh, she don't wanna do it as we do it all night. She'll never blue with her, my love. I don't really nice. See the all black and I dress so white, yeah.
Mama say she love it when I'm color coordinated, so I pull up in a maroon coupe with maroon laces in my supers. I maneuver like MacGyver when it's time to ride. Say she always feeling blue when he's telling white lies. Rain on her window pane, all she see is gray skies. Told her hit this purple, maybe this'll ease your mind. I'm rocking purple label. Check out my shirt design, perfect with her purple kisses like track number 8 from the dream. Baby, this is something you ain't never seen. Put you in the real world, take you out that green screen. Sipping on pink panties in a stretch limousine. They're taking all pink panties when we hit the room. Please don't confuse me for no murderer like Norman Bates, but I'm about to kill it. Pull out the yellow tape, I'm guessing I'm a criminal. You caught up in my web like a brown recluse. K-Dot is a color never seen, boy.
She love it when I'm flamed up. Valet parked the red Lamborghini at the Grand Lux. Grammys with the red tux. She a red bone, red manicure, red hair. Think I like her, might wipe her in some red hair.